far as adjusting take up and tension. The second is tension. So I just said the word, so I blew my own cover there. The second is tension, and this is once again going to be different on different types of wheels. Like I said, on the Lewitt, I know there was a leather strap that went over kind of the orifice, and that's what you adjusted to adjust the tension. And on Spinolutions, there's the block I was telling you about with the felt. That's how you adjust the tension, and the tension works together with the gears, so that's why there's kind of like an up and a down, and you're trying to find like your personal sweet spot there. When I talk about tension on a spinning wheel, the less tension you have on it, the less hard the wheel is going to take the fiber from you. The higher the tension, the more the wheel is going to be like kind of pulling the fiber away from you. So I personally, I like a little bit of a stronger tension, but I also spin more worsted to bulky is what I like to spin. I know people who love spinning lace weight yarns and really fine yarns, they want like not hardly any tension. Like basically no tension. And that's where different wheel models can be more or less beneficial to you. And like I said, if you would like more information on, I really want to spin lace weight, what would my like dream wheel be? Or I really want to do art yarn, where should I look at that? I'm happy to address those questions to you. Feel free to email me, Erin@feralscene.com, or message me wherever, and we can have that conversation. But that's all I'm going to leave this with, since this is a beginner course, is if you're wanting to spin really, really thin, you're wanting less tension. If you're wanting to spin thicker, you're going to probably want more tension. And the idea is you want to have your tension set to where the wheel is taking it at an even pace, so it's taking it from you quick enough to wrap it on the bobbin, because that's what's wrapping it on the bobbin, but not so quickly that you're not able to get the twist and the draft and the yarn that you want before that happens, I guess. So that's the sweet spot you're trying to hit. Let's just say you're a brand new spinner. If you were sitting here, what I would tell you to do, I would tell you to take the tension all the way off. Take it all the way off, and then treadle, and literally just, and I'm imagining you're on a polywog, just slowly turn that gear until you get it where you're like, oh, it's not going in at all. Slowly turn it and adjust it till you get to a speed where you're like, okay, it kind of feels like shaking hands with somebody, like you and the wheel. So you're going to turn that tension knob till it gets to where like your pull back and its pull forward are kind of matched. And then that's your sweet spot. So brand new spinner, take it all the way off and then slowly adjust it down till you get to that sweet spot where you and the wheel are kind of playing this perfect little tug of war with each other. And that's where you want to leave it. So I think that was the most I had for settings and adjustments, and that was a lot, so we're just gonna leave it there. So gears and ratios and tension is and then just wheel maintenance is that's where we're gonna leave all of that.